Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to automate capturing leads and contacts into LeadCenter. LeadCenter supports more than 16 lead sources, including phone calls, website forms, live chat, email directs, Zapier, and event registrations, which can come through your website or from mailhouses. It also supports CSV uploads and financial advisor marketplaces. One of the key features in LeadCenter is not just capturing leads, but also attributing each one to the correct marketing channel. This video will show you which lead sources are supported and how to set up automatic lead capture. For example, from website forms, phone calls, and events. To get started, go to LeadCenter. Click your name in the top right corner, open Settings, and select Contact Capturing. Under Contact Capturing, click on Mediums. This will open a list of lead sources currently supported in LeadCenter. For example, LeadCenter automates capturing leads from BigMarker, Financial Seminar Services, LeadJig, Leading Response, phone calls, email directs, and website forms. Most of these leads are captured automatically through API integrations. To set up lead capture from website forms, go back and click on External Forms. Here, you can register forms used on your website to capture leads. A separate video covers how to configure form-based lead capture in more detail. To set up virtual phone numbers, go to Phones and Text. Then click on Phone Numbers. These numbers can be configured to redirect to your office line. These virtual phone numbers can be used in marketing campaigns, like Google Business Profile, Google Ads, YouTube, radio, or TV. When someone calls the number is redirected to your office number, and a lead is created automatically. That lead will also be attributed to the correct marketing channel. For event-based tracking, go to Basic Settings, then Integrations, and click on Events Marketing to configure platforms like Leading Response, Financial Seminar Services, LeadJig, and BigMarker. If you're using any of these platforms to promote seminars, webinars, or live events, contacts who register will be automatically captured in LeadCenter and attributed to the appropriate marketing channel. This is a high-level overview of lead capturing in LeadCenter, showing how to automate lead capturing and attribute leads to the right marketing channels. Thank you.